Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick video to tell you guys how I record my YouTube stories or videos. And people talk about creating scripts for videos, and I think that's really good. I'm still at the point where I'm learning to do that, but what I do to help myself get over inertia is that I just hit record. Literally just press the record button and record the video. Now, sometimes the video isn't all that great and I feel like, okay, I didn't quite cover it properly, or maybe I made a few mistakes, but that's okay because what I can do is press stop and press record again. For example, the previous video I recorded about creativity, I'd actually recorded a version of that video earlier in the day, but I still felt I wanted to do something a little bit better. So I decided when I go out, I'll go record it again. Because I'd already gone through the video in the first time, it then meant that when I came to do it again, I sort of had a rough idea of the things I wanted to cover and the topics I wanted to cover within that video. So I just ran with it. So that's another way that might help you if you're struggling for how to just get on with recording, or if you feel inertia in terms of recording. Just literally hit record. I learned that from Cannel's channel, Think Media. And basically just hit record, start, and then you can always refine later, but just literally press that record button and start. Challenge yourself today.